In this video, we've compiled a selection of the 5 best and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges that are perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. It's most convenient to create accounts on several crypto exchanges at once. Each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, offering different coins, fees, and trading tools. You'll find the best registration bonuses through promo codes and links in the description below. Binance, the world's #1 exchange. This is the most reliable and liquid platform for cryptocurrency trading. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao and quickly conquered leading positions in the market. Key metrics: over 283 million registered users, more than 500 coins available for trading, exchange fees up to 0.1%, largest financial reserves among all exchanges, maximum market liquidity, huge selection of trading instruments, spot, futures, options, P2P, and much more. OKX, technology and reliability. OKX is one of the most well-known, liquid, and reliable exchanges in the world. OKX has significant financial reserves and provides monthly reports on them. Let's emphasize convenience. Among others, the exchange focuses on technology and stands out with its stylish design and intuitively pleasant interface. OKX has been operating since 2017 and has more than 50 million users. The exchange is present in over 100 countries worldwide. It consistently ranks in the top 5 largest exchanges in global rankings. The upper limit of commissions is up to 0.1%. The exchange offers 300 cryptocurrencies for trading. The crypto exchange takes listing seriously, so it mainly features the largest and most popular cryptocurrencies. BYBIT, derivatives leader with global recognition. BYBIT deservedly occupies high positions in global cryptocurrency exchange rankings. The platform has more than 74 million users and operates in 160 countries. Key metrics: consistently ranks 2nd, 3rd position in global exchange rankings. BYBIT fees up to 0.2%. Over 700 cryptocurrencies for trading. Verified financial reserves. Headquarters located in Dubai. What makes BYBIT special? Derivative specialization. One of the best platforms for futures and options trading. High-speed order execution. Critically important for active trading. Advanced trading tools. Professional charts, indicators, algorithmic trading. BYBIT Card. Crypto card for real-world payments. BYBIT is especially popular among active traders due to low spreads, high liquidity, and advanced tools for margin trading. Bitget, copy trading revolution. Bitget is an exchange that specializes in copy trading. This product allows you to copy trades from experienced and successful traders on both futures and spot markets. The exchange is also actively developing trading bots within the platform, which help automate your trading strategies. There are both regular bots and AI-powered bots. You can use popular bots or create your own, all within the Bitget Exchange. In 2024 alone, Bitget increased its user base from 20 to 100 million users and took 2nd place worldwide in terms of registrations, 2nd only to Binance. Bitget has been operating since 2018. The exchange now serves over 120 million users and ranks 6th in global rankings. You can trade more than 700 cryptocurrencies on it. The platform commissions is up to 0.1%. The exchange has verified financial reserves. Gate.io, paradise for new project hunters. While other major exchanges offer an average of 500-700 cryptocurrency tokens for trading, on Gate you can trade a record-breaking approximately 2,000 cryptocurrencies. This is where new and young projects appear first. Low-cap cryptocurrencies and meme coins often appear on Gate first, as they constantly list huge amounts of new coins. That's why it's useful to have such an exchange in reserve. Gate is already a veteran, existing in the market since 2013, serving more than 34 million users, ranking 8th in global rankings, with fees up to 0.2%. However, there is a flip side. The exchange has low transparency levels and little information about the company and its developers. So, let's not forget the main rule. Don't store money on exchanges. Keep only the amount needed for operational trading, while main fund storage should be done through personal wallets. Don't forget that all exchange links with maximum registration bonuses are in the description. description. That's all from us. Subscribe to our channel, there will be many more useful crypto videos in a compressed format. See you next time!